the iPod? Go ahead. You can listen to it.
You don't want to be photographed, Kayla?
Do you want the iPod or can I have it? Can I use it? Oops.
And that was enough to get a search warrant for Jeffrey Thornton's home. There, investigators found hundreds of women's undergarments, panties, and hose.
She's not playing, that's why she's not listening.
They also found a disturbing videotape.
What did you do? Ruin my other one? Oh, we had the cushion on the wrong side. Hold on. Okay. Alright, there you go. You gonna listen? It's working now. Okay. iPod monkey. You're listening to a scorpion. Can I have my earphone back? Can I have it? Can I have my earphone back? Let me have it. I'm gonna listen. iPod monkey.